All right, man, just got done with day one of the pitch competition, or I would just say pitch academy. And it's been quite an experience. Day one was pretty intense. One of the key things I wanted to do in this vlog was really just kind of showcase, my story, the life of an entrepreneur, and really document my journey into, just like really talking about what, an entrepreneur is all about, and then what it looks like when you actually go through the process of pitching your idea. So that's one of the key things I wanted to do with creating this vlog. So I'm excited to show you guys, and actually have you guys kind of go on this journey with me. As I, pitch my idea called WalletGyde. WalletGyde, marketplace that connects young professionals to financial coaches. Well, so WalletGyde, we are a fintech financial software company that is working on a platform that connects young professionals to financial coaches in the area. And I just recently got accepted into a hyper accelerator program that's hosted by a venture fund in Denver called RVC, Rocky's Venture Fund. So today was actually day one, and it was pretty intense. I'm not gonna lie to you. In fact, gosh, I thought we were just gonna start off and they were gonna kind of weed us in slowly, but man, it was like drinking from a water hose. Super intense. And then we had to pitch our idea on the day one. I did not expect that, but it's fine. I was not necessarily prepared or ready, but didn't matter. It kind of did, but at the same time, I still got the job done, or at least I hope I did. And if anything, it's the day one. It was just a practice pitch. The reason why I started a company like this is, because I'm very passionate about the financial space. I have a background in finance and business, and I've always been someone that's just really, kind of been a finance nerd, and applied a lot of financial principles to my life, at least for the most part. And I would say I always strove to utilize technology to really kind of apply that knowledge and information that I learned in the finance space. So that's why I started. That is kind of the story behind WalletGyde, and why I'm looking to really take that knowledge, take that information, take all the things that I learned. Now, there's a lot more out there about finance, but I think the biggest thing is learning about how technology can really empower young professionals and young millennials in this space, not only as it pertains to managing your money, but also as it pertains to being connected to local resources in the area. I'm excited to continue to pitch my idea to investors, and I'm excited that I got accepted. WalletGyde got accepted to this program, and I'm looking forward to learning as much as we can, or I can, perfecting my pitch, and most importantly, having you guys come along this journey. So, see you guys next day.
You're good to go. Just got done. It was crazy.